Have you ever wondered which countries are safest for solo travelers in the world today? Traveling alone can be exciting, but safety is the #1 priority for everyone. Today you will discover the top 10 safest countries for solo travelers in 2026. This video will break down safety, culture, ease of travel, and local friendliness. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides, tips, and safe adventure stories. 10. Japan is incredibly safe with respectful people everywhere you go. Streets are clean, public transport runs on time, and crime rates are very low. Locals are polite, helpful, and quick to assist travelers who need directions. Solo travelers can explore cities, shrines, and neighborhoods without fear or worry. Even late at night, many areas remain calm with friendly people around always. Tourist areas and local communities make safety feel natural and consistent daily. Urban systems and emergency services work well for any unexpected situation quickly. Solo travelers report feeling secure while dining, sightseeing, or strolling alone. Japan's culture of respect and order makes it one of the safest countries. This is why Japan stays #1 for safe independent travel experiences. 9. Iceland offers peace, nature, and security for solo adventurers of every kind. Its small population and low crime rate make it ideal for first-time solo travelers. People are friendly, welcoming, and eager to share local culture with visitors. Emergency services and healthcare systems are easy to access and very reliable. Landscapes range from waterfalls to glaciers, giving adventure without compromising safety. Walking alone in cities or nature feels peaceful and worry-free most of the time. Locals take pride in keeping environments safe and welcoming to everyone always. Signage, transportation, and travel services are easy to understand and utilize fully. This level of safety makes Iceland perfect for explorers of all ages and backgrounds. Solo travelers leave with confidence and unforgettable memories from this country. 8. New Zealand blends scenic beauty with a strong sense of community safety. Crime rates are low in both urban areas and rural countryside regions completely. Locals are friendly, helpful, and happy to support travelers needing guidance anytime. Transportation is reliable and easy to navigate even for first-time travelers fully. Natural attractions and parks have clear safety guidelines for visitors to follow carefully. Tourist services provide information and emergency support quickly and effectively always. Walking or hiking alone feels secure with clearly marked trails and systems everywhere. Solo travel here teaches confidence along with cultural connection and personal growth fully. New Zealand's welcoming residents make every journey feel smooth, warm, and safe fully. This country earns its place among the top safest destinations for solo travelers. 7. Denmark combines modern cities with strong safety and traveler-friendly culture. Crime rates remain low, especially in public places and transportation hubs consistently. Cyclic paths, pedestrian zones, and clear signage make navigation stress-free fully. Locals speak English widely and assist visitors with warmth and clarity always. Social systems support health, emergency services, and public safety very effectively. Walking alone in cities like Copenhagen feels secure day and night consistently. Cultural respect and community values enhance overall traveler confidence significantly. Solo travelers find comfort in knowing that help is accessible without hesitation fully. Denmark's urban design prioritizes both functionality and traveler well-being carefully. This makes it one of the safest and most welcoming places for solo travel. 6. Singapore shines with cleanliness, order, and safety around every corner. Laws are strict, public spaces are monitored, and safety feels like a priority daily. Locals and visitors respect rules, which reduce crime and misunderstandings significantly. Transportation is efficient, secure, and easy for solo travelers to use confidently always. City life feels calm and organized even in busy nightlife areas clearly. Emergency services and help systems respond quickly without confusion or delay ever. Streets, parks, and neighborhoods stay clean and secure throughout the day consistently. 5. Canada offers friendly cities, welcoming communities, and vast safe landscapes. Crime rates are low in major cities and even smaller towns around the country. Natural parks and trails have clear safety instructions for solo hikers and explorers. Locals are warm, polite, and happy to assist visitors with directions or tips. Transport systems and traveler services are easy to navigate without stress or confusion. Healthcare and emergency systems are accessible and reliable for any unexpected situation. Solo travel in Canada feels secure in both outdoor adventures and city life fully. Big nature and peaceful communities create a balance of excitement and safety deeply. This makes Canada a wonderful place for travelers exploring alone or at their own pace. Many visitors leave feeling confident, cared for, and inspired by the experience fully. 4. Switzerland blends stunning scenery with strong security for all visitors. Crime is low, public transport runs on time, and cities feel orderly every day. Hiking trails, mountains, and lakes are well marked with clear safety guidelines. Locals respect rules, assist travelers, and offer friendly guidance wherever needed always. Switzerland's healthcare and emergency systems are efficient and responsive without delay fully. Traveling here feels calm and confident even when alone in nature or cities. Solo explorers enjoy outdoor beauty without compromising their sense of security fully. Clear signage and traveler support make navigation stress-free from start to finish. 3. Japan again surprises even seasoned travelers with unique safety systems. No, this is actually New Zealand takes another place in safety rankings today clearly. New Zealand's welcoming nature and emphasis on traveler well-being continues to impress consistently. Locals respect personal space, assist visitors without hesitation, and offer support openly always. Travel systems, communication services, and emergency response work together with precision daily. Solo travelers feel welcome, cared for, and understood by residents in every region. The culture of respect and community safety makes every visit feel secure fully. Exploring cities, beaches, and nature becomes rewarding and worry-free for travelers fully. New Zealand keeps its position as a favorite destination for safe solo travel journeys. This is why many travelers return to this country for repeated experiences fully. 2. Portugal balances cultural richness with a relaxed, safe travel atmosphere. Crime rates are moderate, and local communities support visitor well-being responsibly and kindly. City squares, cafes, and beaches are lively yet respectful, making exploration stress-free. Locals often speak English and assist visitors with directions or recommendations warmly. Transportation is reliable and easy for travelers to navigate without confusion fully. Solo travelers find comfort in the relaxed pace and welcoming local interactions often. Tourist information centers provide tips and help for any travel-related concerns fully. Cultural events, markets, and festivals are vibrant yet safe for solo exploration always.